All right, here we go. Karts out on track again. Brought to you by Chaos Karting. This is tag 125 restricted lights, heat number 1. And in attendance is that formidable number 99 Praga kart of our state champion, current points leader in the club championship as well, of Dylan Rudd. Can anybody go with the flying number 99? Now, I've got a question. If he wins the maroon plate, does he replace the state championship coloured plate with the maroon plate? I don't think purple goes with blue, but we'll see. That's a dilemma he would love to have by the end of tomorrow's racing. So we will see. I'm not sure what's going to go on, but that will be an interesting debate for the Praga team headquarters to have if it does indeed happen. We will see. So on track will be Rudd and Davis. Oh, that's a coasting number 20. Paul Baxter's gone off. He's coasting. He will take no further part. Unfortunately, Paul Baxter's pulled off. So it will be Rudd and Davis off the front row. Jones and Andreu. That's it, Andreu. I'm going to get it right for once. Andrew Andreu is his name. God, I hope I got it right. Andrew, I apologise. I'm pretty sure we got it right last time. But Andrew Andreu is starting on the second row with Jonathan Jones, who's apparently doing this for fun now. He's starting on the second row, for goodness sake. That is not for fun when you're ahead of Zowie Patrick and Jack Boyle and McCormack, because Paul Baxter has had to pull out with, unfortunately, what looked like a mechanical. So, through they come into Northside Kart Supplies for a start in tag 125 restricted light, brought to you by Chaos Karting. Do we go green light racing? Yes, we do. And it looks like Dylan Rudd did indeed get the whole shot. Through Pacific Kart Sports he goes. Into Sweet Tune Flip Flop they go for the first time. Streaming through. Now watch for Patrick making moves. Can he make moves through this field in that X30 on board from now on, remember? Ashley Davis slotted into second. Jonathan Jones has gone down to fourth. It looks like Andreu has gone up to third as they go down the back straight. Oh, Jonathan Jones has took his hand off the steering wheel. He's doing some kind of hand gestures. I think that's just a let's just chase move. So we'll see what happens as they come through 12 onto Northside Kart Supplies. Back down towards us on the start-finish straight they go. He is on fire. Dylan Rudd out front comfortably at the moment. Right behind him is the 25 of Ashley Davis. Through they come then, through the Sweet Tune Flip Flop. Right then left then right. Round we come into G-Force Chain Brake. And back towards us at the Project X hairpin. It is Rudd from Davis. Then it's Andreu. Then it's Jones, followed by the 27 of Boyle. Then it's Patrick and McCormack off the back at present as they go through DTE and down the back straight, all getting their heads down, squeezing as much power out of these karts as they can, trying to hang on to the absolutely flying number 99 of Dylan Rudd. He is going to get no smudges on that paintwork all day at this rate, because he's cleared off and nobody is close enough to give him a rub. So he will be mighty pleased with yet another clean kart. Patrick though, he's now trying, but can Patrick hold on? He's the meat in the sandwich at the moment of Boyle and McCormack. Will he have a look here, Patrick, into Project X? Just a slight correction on the steering wheel, just doing all he can. Jonathan Jones, meanwhile, in fourth, has gathered his momentum up. And can he hold on to the back of Andreu? Into Howards they go, closes up on the brakes. Still a whole 10 laps of this race left. There is plenty of time for someone to start to make moves. Over his shoulder looks Davis. He's looking to see who's there. Oh, but Rudd's been dropped. Patrick, he's been dropped by Boyle. And he's now got McCormack all over the back of him. Through the Sweet Tune Flip Flop they all stream. And down towards Crane Hotline. Back with the leader then. Dylan Rudd He's got a very, very comfortable lead already and looks mighty comfortable out front. Just taking it steady. He'll be having a breather already into DTE, following exactly whatever line he wants. He knows which quick one is, and into Howards he goes. Absolutely on fire as the 99 Praga into Howards, through 12, onto Northside Kart Supplies, he's gone. Down the Power Republic straight away he goes. The flying Dylan Rudd into Chaos Karting, through Pacific Kart Sports. He is on fire again this weekend, through the Sweet Tune flip-flop. Then we'll hook on the back of Davis. Davis in hot pursuit through the G-Force chain brake. Now onto Crane Hotline. Round he comes, back towards us at Project X. He's in second at the moment. Ashley Davis trying to bridge the gap between him and the leader, Dylan Rudd, who's absolutely smoking it. Into DTE he goes, down the back straight then. Ashley Davis behind Dylan Rudd, second spot with a 51.973 to his name. He's 0.2 of a second slower than the flying Dylan Rudd. Down the start finish straight he goes. Davis into Chaos. Round he comes then, through Pacific Kart Sport. Then we're going to have a look who's behind him. As through goes the leader Rudd, then Davis. Now we'll hook on to this pair of Andreu and Jones. Still fighting it out for third, and they have not given up on second. These three could close in together, but Andreu through Project X, down towards DTE. A whole 7 laps left yet to go. Through DTE they come, down the back straight. Still Jones is not out of this, just alters the visor slightly. Into Howards, and they all close up on the brakes. Jones really closes up close, so he is getting closer. What are his times? Andreu goes quickest out of those. Andreu 51.989 that time round, and is still getting quicker. Back they come then as the leader goes through Sweet Tune. Then it's Davis, and now these two right behind him. Through they go into Crane Hotline. Back towards us any moment now. Into Project X. It's all coming together nicely for second spot, with a whole 6 laps left yet to go. Down to DTE. Through they go. Down onto the back straight then. And it is currently your order: Rudd, Davis, Andreu, Jones, Boyle, Patrick and McCormack at this present moment in time. Through Howards and 12 onto Northside Kart Supply. Still this three-way. Who is going to make a move? They are close enough to close on the brakes. They need to be closer. Through Pacific Kart Sport they go. And still Andreu puts in the quicker time. Jones follows him. They will be catching Davis because they've both gone quicker. 51.8. That was a 10th quicker than Davis. He's going to start to feel some pressure. Into Project X. They're all in the same frame now. Down to DTE they go. Stretching the legs of these karts. Through DTE onto the back straight. Who closes up the most on the brakes? Into Howards. Davis pulls away under power. And Jones just pulls back onto the back of them. You can see Jones is really good on the brakes and really quick through the tight stuff. Through Northside Kart Supplies, onto the Power Republic straight away. Through they go, into Chaos Corner, and off to Sweet Tune flip-flop they head. Rudd's already gone through, then this three-way go through. Now we'll wait for Boyle, all on his own, doing nothing in no man's land. Has no one to fight with. Patrick's gone back one. He's lost a spot. Patrick can't go with McCormack. McCormack has gone through, and McCormack's looking over his shoulder. He'll be trying to hang on. Back we come then with this three-way. Down the back straight, still 4 laps left as they go down towards Howards. Through Howards has gone the leader, Dylan Rudd. A huge lead at the moment. And now look at this, Davis under serious pressure from Andreu. Back, oh, Andreu goes alongside, Andreu goes through, Andreu Andreu gets up to second. He's gone through on Davis. Andreu makes it stick. He's gone through to second. Can he hang on into the Sweet Tune flip-flop? Now what will Jones do? Jones will have seen that. He will be hungry. It's all happening in the last 2 laps of this race. Back up towards us at Project X. Can Davis fight back? Different line for Davis. Down to DTE. Andreu, he did it early. Down we come then into DTE, and alongside has gone Davis. Will he have the run down the back straight? Not this time into Howards, but Jones brings it close. Jones is right there now, almost alongside Davis. Davis is really going to have to hang on, because Jones is going to give him a run for his money down the back straight. Still 2 laps. Oh, Jones alongside. Doesn't quite make it stick. Has to yield through Pacific Card Sport into the Sweet Tune flip-flop. Andreu's cleared off in second. And now Jones is battling hard. He wants third. Jones wants third spot in heat number 1. He really does. Back we go then through Project X and down to DTE. Jones trying to get past Davis. Into DTE he goes. Now is he close enough down the back straight? Watch him close on the brakes at Howards. Is he gonna be close enough this time? No, he's not, but he's right with him in Howards. Into 12. Onto Northside Kart Supplies they go. Is he gonna be close enough as the white flag is shown? He has got 1 lap to get third. Can he get it done through Pacific Kart Sports? Dylan Rudd, the lead, has already gone through. Then it's Andreu. Now this battle, Davis and Jones. Through G-Force they've gone into Crane Hotline. And now they'll come back up towards us at Project X. Jones just not close enough still. He closes up on the brakes but just can't get with him. Now let's hook on to the leader, the flying number 99 of Dylan Rudd. A huge lead in Heat 1. Tag Restricted Light, brought to you by Chaos Karting. Through Howards and 12, onto Northside Kart Supplies. And your winner in Heat 1, the flying Dylan Rudd. Second, it was Andreu. Third, Ashley Davis. Fourth, Jonathan Jones. Fifth, Jack Boyle. Sixth, it is just McCormack with half a bumper missing. I'm not sure where Zari Patrick is. I've lost Zari. Oh, Zari is nowhere to be seen. I don't know what's happened to Zari.